hymns.
Hi, my name is Paul, and today we're going to discuss how to connect the monitor devices to the eBot. And the very first thing we want to do here is make sure our eBot is powered up, which we've already done. And then we have a Wi-Fi connection that's right here. I'll just turn it off real quick.
Wi-Fi on.
And turn it on. It's going to give you a voice command that it's on. And then on top of the unit, you will see a blue light that is shining. And once it's solid, which it is now, that means the Wi-Fi is working and we can now connect. So the most popular way to connect to the eBot is wirelessly. You can use an iPad, you can use an Android tablet, you can also use a Windows PC. So the first demonstration I'm going to do is with the iPad. And so the first thing we're going to do is go into the settings, and I'm going to connect this iPad to the eBot unit. So as you see here, we've got a list of internet connections here, but I'm going to go down to the eBot 1166, which is this eBot that we've got powered up, and I'm going to connect on that. The default password is 8 zeros, excuse me. So I'm going to put in the 8 zeros. 8. I'm going to go ahead and press the join button, and that's going to connect the eBot and the iPad together. So we'll just wait for that. Okay, now you've got a check mark next to the eBot 1166, and that means we have our connection. So we're going to get out of that menu screen and go over to our eBot viewer. The eBot viewer is the app that can be downloaded from from the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. So we're going to go ahead and click on that, and that's going to connect and show what the eBot is showing us. And so now I've got my remote control, and I can scan up and down, left and right. We can do full page OCR or screen capture OCR from this point. And so it's very easy to do. Those are the basic steps. You do have the controls with your fingers to zoom in and zoom out. The second device we want to connect is the Windows PC, and we're going to do that by utilizing the USB connection. So all you do here is connect into the back of the eBot unit where it's got the USB connection, and then I'm going to connect to our PC, and I'm going to go back in and click on the same viewer application that we did on the iPad. User account control, yes. Now there are two ways to connect that come up on your screen. The first one is going to be Wi-Fi. Well, the first one is USB. Second one is Wi-Fi. Since we are connecting through the USB cord, we want to connect on the USB. But because it's a Windows PC, you are able to connect over Wi-Fi if you choose to do so. But for this example, we're going to go ahead and click on the USB, and it's going to load in. And so now we're viewing what's the eBot is looking at. And so again, I can go left, I've got my remote control, I can go right. Okay, so that's how you connect a PC. So let me go ahead and disconnect that. And the third display device that you can connect to your eBot is going to be a large monitor. It can be as small as a 13-inch, it can be as giant as a 72-inch monitor, and all you need is an HDMI cord. So I've already attached the HDMI in the back of the monitor, and I'm simply just going to place the HDMI cable in the back of the eBot, and it's going to produce the signal right up into the monitor. And so now I've got my wireless remote control, and I'm able to zoom in, zoom out, move left, move right, and do my OCR controls. So those are the three ways that you can connect to an eBot. So just to go over it one more time, we've got an iPad or an Android tablet that we can connect wirelessly. We have a Windows PC that we can also connect wirelessly. Then you have a USB connection that can be used with the Windows PC or a Mac. And then you also have the HDMI cable that you can connect to large monitors. And that concludes our video of connecting displays to the eBot.